A distinguishing feature of nasi goreng is the dark brown color of the rice from the Indonesian sweet soy sauce. It's thicker and sweeter than normal soy sauce, with a consistency like syrup. The making part is very straightforward, no different to typical fried rice recipes. Garlic, chili and onion first, then chicken, then rice, soy sauce and meatball, shrimp paste, if using. Cook for a couple of minutes until the rice grains start to caramelize. Trust me, you will know when it's ready. It smells amazing. Nasi goreng is traditionally served with a fried egg and a side of fresh vegetables, commonly plain juicy wedges of tomato and cucumber. Both these side options are very typical in various parts of Asia to add protein and vegetables to a plate to turn something carb-heavy into a meal. Nasi goreng is also a terrific Asian side dish option, something a little different that packs a bit of a flavor punch. Try it on the side of